Bitcoin, BTC, has once again captured the spotlight this week, exhibiting significant fluctuations in its price amidst a complex backdrop of global economic shifts and cryptocurrency-specific developments. As of April 2, 2024, Bitcoin's price hovers at $65,816, down by approximately 7.97% over the past week. This recent downturn has pushed the market capitalization of Bitcoin to $1.293 trillion. Key BTC levels to watch. Bitcoin's current trading dynamics present a crucial juncture, with the cryptocurrency testing key support and resistance levels. The immediate support level is identified at $63,119, closely followed by a more optimistic resistance level at $68,858. According to predictions from AI machine algorithm models, Bitcoin is expected to see a slight adjustment to around $65,417 by the end of April 2024, marking a noticeable decrease from its present valuation. The impact of global economic factors on Bitcoin. A significant factor contributing to Bitcoin's recent price movements is the strengthening of the US dollar. Following upbeat US factory data, the dollar index, DXY, which measures the greenback's strength against a basket of major fiat currencies, surged past the 105 mark, reaching its highest level since mid-November. This 4-week gain of 2.58% has made dollar-denominated assets like Bitcoin and gold more expensive and potentially less attractive to investors, leading to decreased demand. Moreover, the continued strength of the dollar is anticipated to induce financial tightening globally, diminishing the appetite for riskier investments such as cryptocurrencies. Despite these challenges, some analysts remain optimistic, suggesting that the increasing fiscal debt might compel the Federal Reserve to rapidly lower interest rates, potentially providing a significant boost to crypto markets. This optimism is set against the backdrop of the Fed's aggressive rate hikes from 0 to 5.5% within 16 months up to July 2023, a move that played a part in Bitcoin's 80% price crash in 2022.